Friends, if you are looking for a cleaning brand that is clean ingredients, is amazingly efficient, but also incredibly delicious smelling, this video is for you. I'm gonna be unboxing a PR package that I just received from Caldrea and showing you my favorite cleaning supplies. Let's peek inside and see what they sent. This is the Gildan Balsam Birch Linen and Room Spray. It is such a gorgeous, oh my gosh, it's a gorgeous fragrance that is going to be the best thing for fall and winter. If you're looking for something that is going to freshen up your space when you change your sheets every Sunday, like, you know, like we do. If you're anything like me and Sundays are your change your sheets day, this is my favorite thing to spray all over my mattress and then just let it soak up the beautiful goodness and smell of this Gilded Balsam Birch. And oh my gosh, our bed smells so fresh and lovely. You can spray this everywhere. I literally sit there and go and spray the heck and bob out of the house before people come over, and people really do love this scent. I think most people are they gravitate to this scent because it's so woodsy, it's centering, it's grounding. I don't know, it's vanilla, like vanilla-y, but woodsy, so it's just a really good fragrance. Another fragrance that is really nice right now for the summertime is this Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli. This is also their linen and room spray, and this smells like a day, oh my gosh, a day at the beach, but it's salty, it's just it's refreshing. It's so refreshing. I love this. P.S. These would be great gifts for anybody that you know that has a home or a house, or maybe you're going over to people's house and you're like, I want to pick them up something. This is definitely a great host gift or a mom gift or a whoever gift. This is the countertop spray in the Sea Salt Neroli fragrance, and I love this 2 pieces. They also sent over this Gilded Balsam Birch spray. Both of these are my ultimate favorite. I spray the countertops 1,000 times because this smells so good. It makes cleaning worth it, you guys. They also sent their dish soap, which I have never bought. This one, I'm so excited to do the dishes. If you guys are looking for a cleaning supply that is going to encourage and inspire your wanting to clean, this is it, friend. I promise you, if you get a couple of these things, you're gonna be delighted to go for it and clean your house. I actually have never had their hand soap, so I'm excited to see that they do make hand soap in all the fragrances that I enjoy. I'm gonna put this in my bathroom today, and I'm so excited to be washing my hands. They also sent over the dish soap with the Gildan Balsam Birch, and they have hand lotion. Ooh, I'm gonna try it out. Oh gosh, I'm having a hard time knowing which one I want to try first. Okay, let's open this one up. Oh wow. Ooh, oh. Ooh, so smooth, so nice. Can you imagine this in your bathroom? Or by your dish soap place. I promise if you're looking for clean ingredient cleaning supplies, this is gonna be a favorite brand of yours as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one, God willing. Adios. Thank you so much to Caldrea for sending this over to me. Super grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Adios.